We're here in southern New England, late summer, working on some boxwood thinning. The plant before us had some conspicuous shoots coming up, like you could see on this one. So instead of shearing that, we hand thinned it. And so what that looks like is making selective cuts on the interior. So I did maybe 24 cuts or so. And so from a distance, it's not even apparent that it's been sheared. It's much easier on the plant, less stress. There's not hundreds of little cuts. And we're allowing air and sunlight to get to the inside. See, there's an example of a clipping that was on the inside. So it's a way to keep the plants in scale, since pruning is a means to dwarf a plant. And so this is a very straightforward way to do that. Healthier for the plant. The plants now, it might not put out any conspicuous shoots really for the rest of the season. If we sheared it, it's almost guaranteed within a month or two, there'd be shoots just like that. So if the goal is beautiful green architecture, the hand thinning